Case Construction Equipment has a long history in skid steer loaders, dating back to 1969. The company's latest family of skid steers, the Alpha Series, debuted in 2014. It was the industry's first group of skid steers to rely on SCR technology to meet Tier 4 final emissions. Construction Equipment asked the operator instructors of the International Union of Operating Engineers Local 649 in Bartonville, Illinois, to run the largest radial lift unit in the Case line, the SR270, and give us their feedback. The 90 horsepower unit provides 282 pound-feet of torque and a breakout force of up to 8,776 pounds. The Local 649 pros immediately noticed the long, wide stance of the machine.
I like the stability of it. I noticed that right away, that it seemed a little wider track than what I'm used to. And that's why I playing in the sand, you know, I kind of purposely got a little off camber and it felt nice. I liked it.
The SR270's radial lift capability allows greater forward reach. This is helpful at truck bed height and in jobs at mid-range heights, such as dumping over walls or backfilling. Both Local 649 operators were impressed with the unit's standard ride control feature after taking the skid steer over some bumps. It's a feature more commonly found in backhoe loaders and wheel loaders. Another practical, comfort-driven feature is the SR270's wide cab and lower entry point. The cab measures 35 inches from glass to glass.
It was real easy to get in and out of. 3 points of contact, no problem. Able to turn around in the cab to get seated without having to bump off the walls. It was a very comfortable cab. Being able to move the controls too, that was a handy too, feature.
It's a lot roomier than any skid steer cab I've been in.
Yeah.
Overall, the operators found the Case SR270 to be a stable, powerful machine with good traction in less than ideal conditions.
To be honest, I was disappointed this morning when I seen it was a rubber tire instead of a track machine. I thought this isn't going to be much fun. How about you, Brad?
Yeah.
But I was impressed how it got around it. Yeah, it done well.
And again, the stability, it seemed well balanced. I'd like to see a machine too with that extra counterweight on it. I think that would make a difference too. But as far as the balance, as far as going into cutting and the material we were working down below, it did real well.